Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, excited to introduce you to the new two-piece shelf system for the Yoder Smokers YS640 and YS480 pellet grills. Let's get into it. This system is easy to use, it's easy to clean, it's easy to store, and it stays in place when you're cooking on your wood-fired oven. You're gonna start by sliding the rear section in first, and this is your half-depth shelf, so you can put it anywhere you want. But when you need full capacity, the second shelf slides right into it. So the great thing about this is you can get your chicken cooked inside the oven, whatever you're cooking, at the same time that you've got all of your sides going. And we've got everything we need here to make a beautiful salsa. We've got some black beans. We've got some tortillas warming up. You can get everything done at once. This shelf system adds a whole new layer of versatility to the Yoder Smokers pellet grills. So do yourself a favor, head over to atbbq.com and pick one up today. Be good.